The United Kingdom has announced the country's first entirely British fighter in decades. The new Tempest fighter project will primarily involve British defence contractors forging a plane that could be used for domestic use and export. The British government says the fighter should be ready for service by 2035. UK Defence Secretary Gavin Williamson introduced a full-size model of the new Tempest multi-role fighter today at the Farnborough Air Show. The Tempest incorporates a host of new technologies that would surpass what's in the F-35, meaning the British plane would join the growing group of 6th-generation fighters now on the drawing board. One of Tempest's most important technologies is optional manning, meaning it will be able to fly with a human pilot or without one. Tempest also would be able to direct a group swarming drones, complicating the enemy's defense and enhancing the plane's survivability. Tempest will have hypersonic weapons that travel Mach 5 or faster at its disposal, presumably in both air-to-air and air-to-ground configurations. The British fighter will also have directed energy weapons with non-kinetic effects,